welcome to Indre Kadesi. We are almost at the end of the year 2019. We are all geared to step into 2020. Our channel going to present you the top 5 technologies of the year 2019. There is no surprise, top of our list is AI. Artificial intelligence has been a staple of science fiction for years, and now we seem to be closer than ever to making it a reality. While AI has been in use for a while, now its usage was quite limited. For example, it was used to filter spam emails from your inbox or to offer smart recommendations by certain online service providers. Artificial intelligence makes it possible for machines to learn from experience just to perform human-made tasks. Most AI examples are heard about today, from chess-playing computers to self-driving cars. In digital marketing, AI is being used to predict the behavior of the customer, delivering a personalized experience to the user, and unlocking the new opportunities for the marketer. Best AI-driven application is chatbot. The research is already underway to develop a new software application that use AI to help doctors diagnose and treat patients. Google, IBM, Boeing, and many important companies are hiring for AI. Number 2 in the list is blockchain. What is blockchain? If this technology is so complex, why call it blockchain? At its most basic level, blockchain is literally just a chain of blocks, but not in the traditional sense of those words. When we say the words block and chain in this context, we are actually talking about the digital information, the block stored in a public database, the chain. It is the leading digital assets platform which records and controls the monetary information. Blockchain is the technology that runs Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency. There are many benefits of using blockchain, like OT provides transparency, because anyone with access to blockchain can view entire chain. It also provides immutability. It currently used to track and trace the compliance regulations and to build a secure open network for the drug supply chain by the pharmaceutical companies. It securely track, validate and execute oil and gas transactions, and to reduce settlement time, the cost of processing global payments, and to increase transparency of cross-border transaction. In upcoming years, blockchain will be mainly used in hospital sectors for patient transactions and patient-sensitive data. Also, blockchain will be used in improving water resource. Also, it will be used in banking sectors. Number 3 in the list is quantum computing. Why quantum computing? The world is moving very fast, right? We have blockchain now, we have so many data to process, we have AI. To process all this data, we need huge computer, we need huge power in your CPUs. That's what we have got saturation. Of course, we got huge amount of power, we got high-end CPUs on server level as well, but still, we are not able to solve the problem with processing powers. Quantum computing is there from a long time, and the concept is there from a long time. A lot of scientists were working on it. They were doing it for scientific perspective. For last few years, lot of companies like IBM, Google are working hard to make it work. Also, they started to implement it. Quantum computer will take some time for home use, but you can use it for server purpose, maybe for cloud purpose. IBM is working hard to make quantum machines online. Also, they released IBM Q. We expect more in upcoming year. Number 4 in the list is AR and VR. AR means augmented reality and VR means virtual reality. Augmented reality is a technology that layers computer-generated enhancement atop an existing reality in order to make it more meaningful through the ability to interact with it. Virtual reality is an artificial computer-generated simulation or recreation of a real-life environment or situation. In simple, we can say virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Maybe you just go to any shopping mall. If you buy new clothes, you need to go to trial room to try after those clothes. But now, using AR and VR, you can use smart mirrors instead of using normal mirrors. You can just imagine yourself to those clothes. That's what many companies have started to implement it. Also, it is more helpful in construction of a building. You can see the exact way it will look like in the actual scenario, not in the computer, before we implement it. It will help in many industries like hospital, education, etc. VR could help to create virtual humans to keep the real ones company. And at last, number 5 is IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. IoT has become a hot topic in the present driven world. IoT essentially is connecting many devices and creating a virtual network where everything works seamlessly via a single monitoring center of sorts. IoT is a giant network of connected devices, all of which gather and share data about how they are used and the environments in which they are operated. This includes everything from your mobile phones, refrigerator, washing machines to almost everything that you can think of. IoT is expanding itself to different areas. Smart security solutions, smart home automation, smart healthcare, and smart wearables are some of the applications of IoT. And by near future with IoT, we can have smart cities with optimized traffic system, efficient waste management, and energy use. So start thinking of some new excuse for coming late to the office other than traffic. Thank you for watching the video. Like and share it, and please subscribe our channel.